A big flavored lemon loaf cake dotted with poppy seeds, topped with a lemony icing sugar glaze. What to do when life hands you lemons? Make this divine lemon poppy seed loaf. We've done a banana bread, we did a spiced zucchini loaf, I even did a mocha pound cake, but this luscious lemon loaf really has my heart. In fact, I'm thinking it's one of the top 3 of all time. Enough said, why don't I show you how to make it? Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to spray a loaf pan and then add a cross strip of parchment. Makes removing the loaf from the pan super easy. Set the pan to the side. Now a simple dry mix. I'm spilling 1 3/4 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour into a bowl, then adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to whisk to combine, then spill into a sieve resting on a larger bowl. Tap, 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 sift those dry ingredients together. You can place the dry mix to the side as well. Before I make the batter for this cake recipe, let me just share these fun facts. It's loaded with lemon flavoring. That's right, it contains lemon zest, lemon juice, and lemon extract. Pucker up, everybody, this is gonna be good. Let's start by zesting 1 lemon, run all those little nooks and crannies across the microplane. Then to the cake batter, we've got a big bowl, 1½ cups of butter at room temperature. Add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, hand mixer to blend light and fluffy. Then we're going to add 3 eggs at room temperature, add them in 1 at a time, and then let's build that flavor profile, adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, add all that lemon zest, and then 2 little stragglers, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and ½ cup of sour cream. We tested this recipe using whole milk and sour cream. We found the sour cream version way better. It's almost softer, creamier. You'll see when you make it at home. We're going to now blend everything together. Then we add that dry mix in little by little. You can scrape down the wall of the bowl. Beaters come away, and then we're adding poppy seeds. 1/4 cup. We're going to gently stir them in to fully incorporate. Then we're transferring the batter to the baking pan, smooth it out, push that batter to the corners, then off to the oven to bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Kitchen's going to smell sweet and lemony as this cake bakes. Nothing wrong with that. When the loaf is done, we remove it from the oven. The top is golden, cake tester comes away clean. Let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then lift and transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. When it is completely cool, time to glaze. Small bowl, 1 cup of icing sugar. We're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice, followed by 1 tablespoon of milk. You're going to stir it in, looking for the perfect consistency. You may need to add more or less of that milk to get that beautiful drizzle glaze. As soon as you reach your desired consistency, we're going to drizzle the glaze over the loaf. Love how it cascades down. Now leave the loaf to set before serving. We're going to cut 1/2-inch slices. You can see how beautiful the crumb is and all of those poppy seeds, lemony flavor, perfection. Easy recipe, mighty scrumptious. In fact, best lemon loaf we've ever had. Full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a lemon loaf is this beautiful, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our lemon poppy seed loaf. A beautiful light crumb, ooh, lemony aromas, beautiful glaze. We hope you enjoy. Until next time. How many pieces can I have? Perfect.